Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust shape, height and width using Foxit PDF Editor. Open one PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select this home option and this selection icon, click on this down arrow and select annotation and drag your shape you want to adjust height and width, and these two shapes height and width I will adjust. Now click right button and select this align option and this size option and simply select height and see this height now adjusted, and this one wide, select here and see this again, second I'll increase this one also and select, and this is wide and this one height. In this adjust height and width on your shape. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.